ESG factors empower businesses and organizations worldwide to create a better future for all. Let's embark on a journey into the world of ESG, an acronym that represents environmental, social, and governance. This video will inspire you to understand the significance of ESG and how it intertwines with facility management. The environmental factor of ESG emphasizes sustainability and responsibility towards the environment. Nowadays, companies are adopting eco-friendly practices to minimize their carbon footprint. In facility management, this entails implementing energy-efficient systems, reducing waste, and utilizing renewable resources such as solar power to create greener and more sustainable environments. ESG's social factor assesses a company's impact on society, notably in areas like diversity and inclusion, which entails considering the needs of individuals with different abilities and establishing strong policies for equal opportunities at work. Mentorship programs also provide support, guidance, and networking opportunities for talented individuals, helping them reach their full potential and achieve leadership roles. Promoting diversity and inclusivity in facility management can enhance creativity and problem-solving capabilities and promote social equity. The governance factor emphasizes the importance of transparent and ethical business practices. Strong corporate governance ensures that companies operate with integrity and accountability, resulting in responsible decision-making, compliance with regulations, and maintaining high ethical standards in facility management. Facility managers play a critical role in ensuring that facilities operate in an environmentally and socially responsible manner, with high levels of integrity. By incorporating ESG principles into daily operations, facility managers have the potential to drive positive change and make a lasting impact on the world. Their efforts can contribute towards a sustainable future and create a better world for future generations. By prioritizing ESG, companies can unlock opportunities to attract socially conscious investors and customers while enhancing employee satisfaction and reducing operational costs. In conclusion, ESG is no longer just a buzzword, it's a guiding principle for businesses and facility management. If you found this video informative, remember to like, share, and subscribe to My FM Guru for more valuable insights into facility management.